Whoa! I was setting up my 6D Mark II and my 35mm Sigma on the camera, trying to get it ready for vlogging, and then it just went down and it fell a foot. It fell a foot. Okay, that Sigma 35mm fell from my pocket when I was shooting in Brisbane, and I nearly ruined it, but it's still here. It's a really strong lens. Now with my 6D Mark II behind it, it fell a foot to my table. And there's no scratch, nothing's wrong. I hope. Anyway, my vlog right now, it's always been here in my computer, so it's delayed. It was supposed to be last Friday. I'm posting them now. Okay, and if you're not after boring blah 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 lot of talk vlogs, this is not a vlog for you. Don't look at it. But if you're interested in my nonsense, watch it. Heading out now. Off to the city. I'll be editing out there. Hope this doesn't get too cold, because I'm gonna die. I'm off to the city and I woke up late, so yep, I'm waiting for a train now. And parking, I have to park all the way up there. It's really far. And that's what you get for a weekend for late. Now I wish the train's here. I'm switching to C-Log right now, and I hope this is good quality video. Oh, by the way, the train's there. Yep, the train's there. Unfortunately, it's going to Oakfield. I'm heading to the city. It's the other side. Okay, I've been vlogging for the last 3 days, and most of them were documentations while my tita is here. Now I'm alone here in the city. I was trying to make a vlog, but the thing is, nothing's sparking up. Like, there's no new ideas, there's no story, there's nothing cool about it. So it'll be like a nonsense vlog. So I just sat for a while, made some edits on my backlogs. Well, backlogs. But yeah. So I was trying to think things over, and then I realized, what should I do? What should I do? Yeah. So something just sparked up. So I was like in a dead end. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to vlog. I had no idea. Bing! Something sparked out. Usually when I'm bored, I just go around the city and take some photos, do photo walks. I used to carry me a film camera, like the manual camera. Like I have to set manual, the focus, the setting, and I have to have it developed days after. So I had fun doing that, but it's gotten quite expensive, so I've stopped doing it. Then I do use my DSLR and I carry it every day. Like every day. Until now I still carry my DSLR, but sometimes I carry small cameras. I take a lot of photos around the city because Melbourne is a beautiful place. Like you can see the bricks, the good views. Like places like these in the middle of the city, there's a tree and there's a rest area. You can eat your lunch here, you can just chill. Some of them are smoking, but I don't promote smoking. And yeah, so here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go around the city, take some photos. I'll try to take a few videos. And yeah, I just gotta warn you, the videos is not going to be fluid. Like there's no direct story, but I'll try to get as much footage as I can, but most of it will be like photos. Hope you can enjoy. Yeah. So I'm just around this alley. There's a lady there. It's here. What a funk alley. So I usually pass by around these streets here, but just my first time to see these graffitis clearly. They're good, eh? And yeah, there's the Joker at the very tip. It's just an alley with a good graffiti on it. It's called I don't know what. But yeah, I just wish some people back home could up their graffitis like these. Like I know Cebuanas are very good with graffitis. I just wish they make really good ones like that. Anyway, on to the next alley. Oh. Apparently I'm not dressed well today. It is getting cold. I might as well go home and get the photo walk. Sorry about that. So yeah, the photo walk is gonna be short, but I'm gonna make some more in the future, but not now. Shit, it's really cold. Man, my jacket's like not that good. I'm gonna freeze to death. Anyway, I hope you liked the quick trip around the neighborhood. But yeah, nice. You can see that one there. It's an old building which has a new building on top. So yep. Anyway, on to the station, heading towards the train station, seeking shelter. Yeah, there's the train station. It's really cold, man, really cold. Flinders station's been renovated. It's covered, so you can't see it. For tourists who are coming these days, they're not gonna see the iconic Flinders Street train. But yeah, this is it. Too bad. Big camera out there. It's really big camera.
Not free, a crippled boy and lonely at thy core, that wanted to be loved a little bit more. But even when all the love did come his way, like Hitler, it wasn't enough to feel the pain inside. The story of Hitler, I do not hide, of an Austrian boy that simply wanted to play, paid by 2 Jewish men to live down each day. An orchestrated play as a secret society was about to be exposed. One none of the
Kangaroo jerky. Would you want one? Simple. What bag is that? Samsonite. Cars parked so far away. I came in late, so like trains crying out loud. Anyway, nice place here. Even has an exit to the train station. What's up, everyone? I just arrived home. Yeah, I wasn't able to meet Tita because I wasn't able to contact her. But yeah, I'm here waiting for Laura. I'll be traveling in a few to New Zealand, Auckland, for a quick holiday. Like, we'll be back this coming Saturday night. So today's Wednesday. We're leaving around 11, so we'll be there Thursday, Friday, and Saturday morning. So just quick, very quick. Hope we can go to a lot of places, but yeah, still waiting for Laura. I'm just trying to generate this file here, and then just chilling in my studio. Whew, okay. No, gotta start packing up. Yeah.